to Walt Wednesdays, where every Wednesday I tell you my favorite Disney tips and tricks for the parks and the surrounding areas. This week I want to talk to you about the friendship boats. Disney's friendship boats are a great way to get around at Disney Springs and at the other locations. So there's different locations like this one right here. There's also one right around here, and then on the other side of Disney Springs. There's 3 boat docks that you can take a friendship boat, and it will carry you from your location to one of the other 2 locations at Disney Springs. It's a quick, very refreshing way to get around on the water. Unfortunately, right now they are not running because of the pandemic. But if you're here and they are running, make sure you take them because it's a great, refreshing way to spend a little bit of time.